Hello, I have not shooted a lot of videos since years. I mean, the 2 years. Yeah. So I have a new thing here. Some birds. Or you can call them parrots, parakeets, and they have laid eggs. So come on. Look, there are 3 eggs in here. I think you can't see them by camera, but I can see them. And there's one parakeet in this. You see him or her? I think it's a her or him. I have 4 lovers and 2 budgies. You see them? Yeah. I play with that blue one every day. It just comes and I touch it by the face. And the green pair is laying some eggs, and I don't know, the yellow pair is also coming in there and sitting on the eggs. The budgies are also coming in there and sitting on the eggs. I don't know what hybrid will come. And you know something? Just in the morning, when this bird was laying some eggs, I thought it was dead because it was not moving, not breathing. It was breathing, but I thought it was not. So, just I did a little shaking, then it blinked a little bit, then it was alive. And there was a big storm last night. Come on, if you're in India, Banaras, you would seen that storm. Here, look at this. Look at that soil. And look everywhere. It was so cold, I was shivering at the night. I was too scared of thundering, lightning. I thought the roof would just fly away. Yeah, or the big stone falls and the house would break. Yeah. I thought one of my chickens can die. Or one of my parrots can die. Or 4 of my chickens can die. Or 6 of my parrots can die. That means all of them. I think that's 12. 4 plus 6 is 12. I'm not good at maths. And here we go. Look what the storm has done to my garden. And my playground. And my playground. You're surprised for the playground, right? I never showed you that. But seriously, look what I have done. The storm